Hello, everyone. Let's look at a very interesting topic, which is about extraterrestrial life and the space explorations related to this. So, extraterrestrial life is life which exists outside Earth, maybe on an exoplanet, or it is also known as the space life. And further breaking it down, what do we mean by life? As this is defined by NASA, life is a self sustaining chemical reaction which is also capable of the Darwinian evolution theory, which simply, in short, states survival of the fittest. So we see life on Earth, it has evolved from a microbial last common ancestor about 4 billion years ago, which was from again from a fungal spore to a whale. So same chemical processes they are seen across all the living organisms on Earth. There is one technical term associated with this that there is a solvent which supports life in all the living in the all the biotic processes which are there. In case of humans, it is or in case of life on Earth, the solvent is water. So solvent is a liquid medium that facilitates these chemical reactions which are important to support life. Now, scientists have done several experiments regarding the same. It's important for us to remember what can be the possible solvents which might lead to life on exoplanets, which includes sulfuric acid, ammonia, liquid carbon dioxide, and even liquid sulfur. So, there are two ways through which scientists are trying to explore and firstly identify whether any life exists on space or not. So, one strategy is that you can go ahead with measuring the mineral signatures on the rocky surfaces of the exoplanets, which will tell us about the mineral diversity, and we can track the terrestrial biological evolution. जैसे हमने अर्थ पे देखा कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जिरकन हमने जब आइडेंटिफाई किया तो इट वाज आइडेंटिफाइड at a time when even life was not existing on earth, and then later on we discovered certain minerals which occurred because of the biological processes. For example, apatite एक mineral है which is one of the ingredients in our bones, in our teeth also. So ये बताते हैं कि life exist करती है, कैसे वो evolve हुई है, it can be further traced down. So एक ये process है through the mineral signatures on the rocky surfaces. Second procedure or the strategy is you detect evidence of a civilization. जैसे कि you can look for certain artificial lights if you're able to detect. You can detect certain industrial pollutants maybe. नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड हो सकती है. But again, we so far have no such certain या फिर foolproof evidence. So there have been several missions being sent by ISRO and other space agencies of other countries. So in case of India, जैसे Chandrayaan 3 mission की हम बात करते हैं. So it was there to study the water ice deposits, which is again one crucial aspect for again astrobiology research. There was Mars orbiter mission MOM, Mangalyaan mission जिसको बोलते हैं, launched in 2013. Shukrayaan 1 mission, which is a planned mission to Venus. Then Europa Clipper mission is there. 2024 में ही launch किया गया है by NASA to study the Europa, which is Jupiter's moon. And before also, there's this JUICE mission, which is the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, launched in 2023 by the European Space Agency, again to study Europa, which is Jupiter's moon. But so far, we haven't got that single evidence to further explore and do more of research and development. So why it is important? It can be important to maybe it might be related to the evolution which might occur on Earth also. So it can help us in better preparedness, better awareness. So meet you in the next video with a new topic.